Spectrum Mobile users on iPhone and Android often face Wi-Fi connectivity problems, especially after software updates or network changes. Since Spectrum relies on T-Mobile's network, issues can arise from various sources, including Wi-Fi calling glitches or router incompatibilities. First, ensure Wi-Fi calling is enabled in your phone's settings. For iPhone, go to Settings, Cellular, then Wi-Fi calling. For Android devices, navigate to Settings, Network and Internet, Mobile Network, then Wi-Fi calling. Now try these quick fixes to get back online. First, restart your phone completely. Second, toggle airplane mode on and off to reset connections. Third, forget the Wi-Fi network and reconnect, making sure to enter the correct password. Fourth, check that your router's firmware is up to date for better compatibility. If these steps don't work, proceed to the next section for advanced fixes. If basic troubleshooting doesn't resolve the issue, more advanced steps may be necessary. On Android, reset your APN settings to default. For iPhone, enable private Wi-Fi address in your Wi-Fi settings, as this can prevent connection issues with some routers. If using a mesh Wi-Fi system, ensure it's compatible with Spectrum Mobile's protocols. As a last resort, contact Spectrum Mobile support or use their app's diagnostic tools. Experts recommend regularly checking for carrier updates before troubleshooting. If problems persist after these fixes, it might indicate a deeper issue requiring professional support or a router upgrade. Remember to check Spectrum's support site or app for the latest information and troubleshooting guides.